We're here at CMC Customs, where they've got a holiday is exclusive, which they've completely customized, which is a very interesting concept, which me and my wife has wandered about quite a few times, because we always struggled to find something that we actually really like. Tell us a little bit about what you guys have done here.
Yeah, guys, so this is a 2012 exclusive, which we've customized. So we've put the big outdoor kitchen here with your microwave and your air fryer, convection oven. Everything gets built to what you want. So you bring your Caravan and we customize and we build what you want. On the left hand side here, we've got the pull-out kitchen. It's aluminium and powder coated, so it's lightweight. This is a gas stove. That's Snappy Chef, just for the options. Like I say, you come, you say, I want a basin here. We put a basin here. So this is what CMC is all about, customizing your current Caravan to fit your camping needs. On the front here, for instance, it's got the custom pole box, which you won't see on other exclusives and so on. That gives you more space in the nose cone, so that you can put the aircon there, the gas bottles, anything you want over there.
You can see you've got a 270.
Yeah, nice big awning. It's got the sides as well. So this one comes with sides and everything. We put a 50mm lift kit on this guy. It's got the full set of 4 movers. It's got, so at the bottom here, you can see we've lowered the arches, but actually, there's the arch over there.
Okay,
So it doesn't make it an off-road, but it just makes it better for the potholes in the gravel road and things like that. At the back here, you see your full wash-up area, hot and cold water, your basins. Once again, this is how we customize this one, but you can choose what you want and we'll build accordingly. On the inside, you can go have a look there. It's a full custom as well. The bigger fridge, the queen size bed. We've moved the bed a bit bigger. Aircon in the middle there. Got your TV over here. A nice lounge setup, some space for your wine and your glasses, things like that. All the cabinetry on this side over here.
And all of this cabinetry is
so this basically comes standard with the exclusive, and then it has a kitchen in here.
Okay, so
because
this
we moved it to the outside.
Added this, and then your outside kitchen's taking up most of this space.
Yeah. One thing that's very popular is the door over here, which is a very simple concept, but you see, so it's a sliding door. Usually it opens up to the door there.
Okay,
and
that's very
fiberglass line the inside, so nice hot showers, no problem. Put a new toilet in there. Yeah, it's a full custom.
Okay, that's
so no matter what the age of a Caravan or the type, we customize.
Okay, whereabouts are you guys based?
In Krugersdorp and Shamdorp.
Krugersdorp.
Yeah,
100%.
And then on the other side, just downstairs, is where we build the Gecko off-roads.
Okay, so you guys build them as well.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.